everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be planning out the week of, not this week, that's for sure, January 23rd through January 29th in my Hobonichi Cousin, and I'm going to be using the Out of the Woods kit from the Coffee Monsters Co. I'm actually really excited because I went to Michael's earlier this week and I've picked up a few more Tombow colors that I don't have. I was really thankful because I did a Tombow like color chart in my previous Hobonichi Cousin, and it's kind of helped me keep track of what I currently have, and then buying like these single markers from Michael's so that I just don't want to have a lot of duplicates. And I found that I had a few from buying the sets, and I thought it was kind of cool because these two colors match really, really well with the Out of the Woods kit, and those are colors 312 from Tombow and 228, which is like the most beautiful color green. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I did grab some of the extras. I just really, really love this kit. Like, if she opens back up again and has it, I'm definitely going to get it. I got these washi strips, and I was like, I'm never going to use these, and now I'm like, yes, I want to use these. I kind of wish that there were 7 of these because I could use them as headers, I think, maybe, but then I realized I also have the weekend sticker that I could use, so I don't necessarily need it for every day, maybe, I don't know. And I apologize if you can hear my dryer going and my Roomba going. It's been quite a day. That much I can tell you. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm just going to go ahead and use the trees. I'll use these throughout the spread as needed, but I'll go ahead and use the trees across the top. That's not going to be a problem. This is also a short work week for me, so I'm kind of excited about that. I'm going to Atlanta with some of my friends to an event there, which I'm also very excited about. Yeah, kind of glad because I haven't been to an event since planning by the beach in Florida. So I've been like itching to be around my planner people, and yeah, it's gonna be an exciting time. Today when I'm filming this day has been more hectic than I could even like describe to you. I had an oil change on my car, and then I quickly realized after I left the dealership, I'm just gonna put this weekend sticker down, that something was extremely wrong with my vehicle and I had to go back. Ended up spending another 4 hours there. Not the most pleasant thing in the world, but I'm also glad that I didn't make it all the way home. So there's that. If I could put a positive spin on it. I've always wanted to use these emoji headers, but I don't know. I also don't know how to use them. So if you are an experienced Coffee Monsters Co. purchaser, what am I supposed to do with these? All right, so let's go to the sidebar, and I think I'm just going to use the Little Woods situation here, I think. I'm not totally sure. Also, I don't know if you guys are getting like the subscription and stuff like that. I'm really excited about that. Yeah, I have yet to do the subscription that she's going to have open until April, but I'm excited that there's this option now, so that's pretty awesome. All right, so we're going to do this week, and last week I didn't use any stickers at all, really. I'm actually still I'm going to have to back plan. This is like a example of how hectic my week was, but I'm going to back plan there, and then let's see. I'm going to use the dot stickers like I always do, just to put a couple of to-dos down for the week. Nothing major, but just a spot to put like maybe my top things that I need to focus on for the week. All right, and then for the next header, I think I'm going to do important. I think that's what I've done before. Oh, I didn't use a header at all, so I'm going to do important and then do some habits. And I'll put down this tracker to use for my sleep. It is so freaking cute. And the pen that I'm going to be using today is the Zebra Sarasa Dry in the 0.4. I absolutely love this pen, mainly because it writes thicker than a 4, but not as thick as like a 0.7. So I personally really like it. I'm just going to put the days across the bottom here. Actually, just realized that there is a habit sticker. I don't know why I didn't even see that until now. We'll just try to lift this one up if I can. If not, I'll just leave it, and it seems like it doesn't want to come up. Yay for having nails. It is not coming up. Oh man, I guess I could just go right over it, right? Not a big deal. That's highlights, not habits. Oh my goodness. We're just gonna cover that up. And that's kind of crooked. I am on a roll today, that is for sure. I'm gonna put my hours right here, and this is going to be for sleep. So I think I'm just gonna do work across the top. I might actually alternate these two colors. I only work Monday through Thursday this week. So I work from 7 to 4, and we'll just do the green every other day. Don't need to do Friday. And then the blue. It is like, it's so perfect for this kit. I love these colors so much, so I know I'm going to use them a lot more. So I'm just going to put work and then my hours. And then what I like to do is take my ruler and actually mark the time all the way down. And then this kind of gives me like a frame of reference just for the time for the whole day. And that's another thing that I love about the Sarasa pens, is that they just don't smudge as bad as some of the other pens, mainly because they dry so fast. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of box that in for each day. So I'm just gonna put down the meetings that I have so far. I have like my work schedule pulled up in front of me. So Monday I have no scheduled meetings. On Tuesday I have one meeting at 10 o'clock. I'm just going to use these dot markers for it, or these dot stickers. And then I have another meeting at 1 o'clock. I'm just going to write what those are really quick before I forget. And then on Wednesday, I have a 10 o'clock meeting with my HR team. And then on Thursday, I have another meeting at 10:30. Okay, and then for Friday, I'm kind of working across the day here. I have to drive to Atlanta. So I'm kind of wondering, none of these arrows are quite long enough, I don't think, because it's like a 4-hour drive. So I'm just going to do an arrow. I think I'm going to leave at 6 because I am like the airport pickup person, and I've got to go to the airport a few times. And I thought I had like a little emoji that was driving in a car, but I don't. But what I am going to use is this emoji with Starbucks because I'm definitely going to need coffee for this drive. Like 4 hours doesn't seem like a long time, but it's a long time for me. Okay, so there's that. And I have to pull up like the itinerary for the whole event, but I'm going to kind of leave space because I may want to add pictures on these pages. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm going to save that. And then on Sunday, I know that I'm going to go home around 2, which puts me at getting home around 6, we'll say 6:30. And we're gonna do another coffee emoji because more coffee to drive home. And in this corner, I kind of want to use some of these like more decorative pieces here, just because I don't think I'll use them unless I actually deliberately try to use them right now. Let's see. Do this guy right here, and then put this one on Thursday. These decorative pieces can be like so hard for me. I don't know, maybe I'm just like not that creative, but I don't know. Kind of just gonna end up decorating the entire bottom half of this because I don't use like a whole lot of the time after midnight, you know? I probably should have put this piece on that end. Now I'm like, can I get this up without completely destroying it? I have another sheet of this, and the problem is that I don't have any undo either. When I was at Michael's, that was like one of the things that I was like, I really need to get some more of this. Ooh, that was awesome. And they don't seem to have it anymore. Like my Michael's doesn't even have a spot for it in the store, which is really strange. But yeah, I guess that's just what they're doing now. But it's been interesting at my Michael's. I think they're getting ready to do like a remodel or something like that. But all right, we are making some progress with the decorative parts across the bottom. Yeah, this will work. And then maybe some of the trees. Little happy trees, like Bob Ross would say. All right, that's not too bad. It's not a complete disaster, right? Okay, so I'm kind of going to work a little bit backwards here, but on obviously Thursday night, I want to pack for my trip. And then prior to that, I'm definitely going to get some laundry done. So I'm going to find my little laundry emoji here. I have a fairly large desk, and yet I always feel like there's never enough space when I'm filming these videos because I feel like I have to keep everything in frame, even though I don't. All right, laundry. Okay, and then on Wednesday, I'm really going to focus on editing some content. So I'll probably have a video go up on Thursday, fingers crossed. Now, the week after this is going to be a little bit questionable because Friday is normally my filming day and I will not be at home or in town at all. So maybe I'll give myself a vacation week. I'm not entirely sure. But I definitely want to make sure that I have some things ready for you guys. I do have a chiropractor appointment after work on Tuesday. I'm so excited to go to that. I actually have a massage appointment this Saturday, which I was like, I'm definitely not canceling that after the week that I've had. So I'm really, really thankful for that. I think that's all I'm going to put in here for now. I think now I'm just going to put the decorative pieces in here because I don't know, I love them so much. I'm like, there's going to be more things in my daily and probably more appointments that get added throughout the week, especially for work. There's just a lot going on at work, as I'm sure you guys are probably experiencing in your corporate worlds. Maybe, I don't know, but we've had a lot of interesting things going on in the industry that I work in. So yeah, okay. Where do I want to put these though? Do I want to know? Oh, that kind of does look good there. I don't know. There's like no bad place for any of these things. I might put this here. I might change my mind afterwards, but we'll see. And then this probably would have been a great one for Sunday evening because when I get home, I'm going to just be beat. I'll just put this right in the middle. It won't hurt. All right, there we go. I'm trying to think if there's any, I feel like I'm missing an appointment. I know that I'm missing something. Oh, I just realized what it was. On Monday at 3 o'clock, I actually have an appointment with my PCM. And that is honestly just something super routine because I have to get a referral to go back to the eye doctor that did my eye surgery a few years back. So for those of you that don't know, I actually have ICL, or I had ICL surgery, so I have a permanent lens in my eye, but it's starting to not work anymore. I can't see up close like at all, which is why you guys always see me with glasses these days. So I've got to get all of that situated hopefully soon. I'm just going to put one more sticker on Sunday because I want to do my Sunday prep for the week because I know that that's going to involve a lot of laundry from the trip, getting all my stuff ready for the week, which I would have normally had all day, but I'll be traveling. But that's going to be okay. I'm super excited to see my friends. Like it's just what I need right now so badly. All right, there we go. It's kind of a hot mess, but I kind of love it. I love this kit so much. I'm definitely glad that I got more of these decorative pieces because I'm definitely going to be using this in my daily pages. So stick around for that, or make sure you're following me over on Instagram so you can see those. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.